Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to lock the device without using the power button. So with the help of accessibility shortcut menu, we can lock the device without using the power button. Just tap on the accessibility shortcut menu. So here you can see the option lock screen. Just tap on this one. You can see the device is locked. So without the power button, we can easily lock the app. You can easily lock the application in this device. So let me show you how to enable the accessibility shortcut menu. For this, go to settings. Scroll down. Here you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one. Tap on accessibility menu. Turn on this option. So without the power button, just tap on the option accessibility menu. Tap on lock screen. Simply you can see the device is locked. So in this way you can lock the device without using the power button. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.